Can you actually make money on YouTube without showing your face, using your voice, or becoming some kind of on-camera personality? Yes, and not just theoretically. People are doing it every day. The real question is not whether Faceless YouTube works, it's whether you're choosing the right type of channel. Because most people don't quit Faceless YouTube because it's impossible. They quit because they picked an idea that demanded full-time energy, constant creativity, or a personality they never wanted to perform. So in this video, I'm walking you through 5 Faceless YouTube channel ideas that really work. These are formats that suit normal humans with jobs, families, and limited patience. And do stay to the end, because number 5 is the most sustainable if your goal is calm, long-term income rather than internet fame. It's not glamorous, but it's incredibly effective. Number 1. Ambient and background content channels. This is the quiet corner of YouTube, where videos don't try to grab attention or compete for it. They're not asking to be watched, they're there to support something else that's already happening. Studying, working, sleeping, reading, just focusing. Think lo-fi beats, rain sounds, white noise, fireplace loops, nature visuals, calm piano, slow-moving abstract backgrounds that don't demand anything from the viewer. The reason these channels work so well without a face is simple. The viewer doesn't want you, they want the environment. They want something that helps their brain settle, something that fades into the background without interrupting their thoughts or pulling them into a conversation. No opinions, no energy, no interaction required. These videos are often long, repeatable, and evergreen. You make them once, refine the format, and then let the algorithm quietly do its thing over time. A single well-made video can sit there for months or years, steadily picking up views while you're doing something else entirely. The downside, of course, is competition. The upside is that viewers don't care who you are, what you look like, or whether you're having a low-energy day. This category rewards consistency and restraint, not charisma. If you can stick to a calm format and resist the urge to constantly tweak it, you're already ahead of most people. Number 2. Compilation and curation channels. These channels gather, organize, and present things people already want to see, but in a way that saves them time and effort. Quotes, facts, Reddit stories, historical photos, motivational clips, and educational snippets. The value here isn't originality in the artistic sense, it's judgment, selection, and structure. You're doing the filtering so the viewer doesn't have to. You're deciding what belongs together, what order it should be shown in, and when something has earned its place. The channels that succeed here don't just dump content onto the screen. They add pacing, themes, titles, and a reason to keep watching, rather than clicking away after 30 seconds. The key rule is legality and transformation. You must use content you have rights to, or transform it meaningfully through editing, narration, commentary, or structure. When done properly, this model scales well because you're building systems, not one-off videos. You're building playlists, not masterpieces. It suits people who enjoy organizing information, spotting patterns, and creating order far more than starting from a blank page every time. Number 3. Educational explainers without a face. This is where Faceless YouTube quietly overlaps with teaching, coaching, and practical problem solving. Screen recordings, slides, diagrams, text overlays, or simple visuals that exist to support the explanation, not distract from it. You're explaining how something works, a system, a process, a tool, or a concept. No performance required, just clarity and pacing. These channels work best when the topic is narrow and clearly defined. Not business, but one business model. Not fitness, but one specific problem someone is actively trying to solve. If you can explain something you already understand, slowly and calmly, you're already ahead of most creators who try to sound impressive instead of useful. And this is where Faceless YouTube starts to blend beautifully with other income streams. For example, some creators use Faceless YouTube to support a print-on-demand business. They make videos around niches, themes, or communities their products are designed for. Not ads, but context. A channel about gym culture or dog ownership or remote work humour. The videos build familiarity and trust, and the products simply exist alongside the content rather than interrupting it. This is where Printify fits in very naturally. Printify lets you create print-on-demand products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and home items without holding stock or shipping anything yourself. You design once, connect it to a store, and when someone orders, Printify handles the printing and delivery. If you're building a faceless YouTube channel in a clear niche and want a straightforward way to monetize beyond ads, Printify is one of the cleanest options available. There's a link in the description if you want to explore it. It supports the channel and doesn't change the price for you. Now back to the list. Number 4. List and ranking channels. These channels answer a very human question. What should I choose? Top 5 tools, 7 mistakes, 10 ideas, best options for beginners. They work faceless because the structure does the heavy lifting. The viewer arrives for clarity, not connection. These videos are especially powerful in evergreen areas like productivity, money basics, learning, or lifestyle systems where people are constantly looking for guidance. The trick is honesty. If your list feels padded or stretched, people leave. If it feels grounded and considered, they stay. You don't need hype here, you need judgment. This format also lends itself well to batch creation. One strong idea can become multiple videos with small variations, without starting from scratch each time. And finally, number 5, the one most people overlook, faceless documentation channels. These don't teach, they don't entertain, they quietly show progress. Screen recordings of building something, time lapses, process videos, before and after journeys. No face, sometimes no voice at all. The power here is subtle but strong. Viewers return because they're invested in the outcome rather than the personality. This works especially well with long-term projects, building a business, writing a book, growing a channel, or learning a skill. You're not performing, you're recording. And because you're not reacting to trends or chasing novelty, burnout is much lower. This model rewards patience and consistency rather than speed. So here's the real takeaway. Faceless YouTube works when the format matches your energy, not your ambition. If you like calm, choose calm formats. If you like structure, choose systems. And if you like progress, document it. Trying to force excitement into a faceless channel usually breaks it. And if you want the step-by-step breakdown of how to set up Faceless YouTube properly, without guessing or overcomplicating things, watch the next video, which is Faceless YouTube Made Simple. It connects all of this into one clear system. I'll see you there.